Imagine a creature that moves silently without legs. It can see without eyes in the dark. It can swallow prey twice its size. Some glide through trees. Others swim effortlessly underwater. For centuries, humans have feared and admired this creature. Its name, the snake. Mysterious and full of surprises. Today, we are going to uncover the secrets of snakes. From their senses and movements to hunting, feeding, and astonishing behaviors. By the end of this video, you'll see snakes not just as creatures to fear, but as masterpieces of evolution. If you're interested in the amazing world of wildlife, be sure to subscribe. There are facts waiting for you that few people have heard. Snakes are found almost everywhere, except Antarctica. From scorching deserts to lush rainforests. From high mountains to vast wetlands. There are more than 3,700 species. Some are tiny, only a few inches long. Others, like the reticulated python, can grow over 20 feet. The green anaconda holds the record for weight, tipping the scales at the hundreds of pounds. Some snakes live in trees, moving gracefully along thin branches. Others dig underground, creating tunnels and hiding from predators. Aquatic snakes, including sea snakes and water cobras, glide through water with remarkable agility. Every species has adapted perfectly to its environment. The mangrove snake balances over tidal waters. The sidewinder rattlesnake moves across loose desert sands without sinking. The variety of habitats and sizes shows how evolution has crafted an astonishing diversity. One of the most fascinating things about the snakes is they have no legs. But they move with incredible skill. But how? Over 400 vertebrae, each with paired ribs and connected muscles, allow precise and flexible motion. Snakes have a variety of locomotion methods that allow them to evade predators and carefully explore their environment. The combination of body flexibility, muscle control, and the skin friction makes the snakes some of the most skilled legless hunters. Snakes' scales are more than a skin. Belly scales act like threads for climbing and swimming. Some species have killed scales. If you enjoyed this video so far, subscribe now so you don't miss any of the next videos. Snakes shed their skin periodically in a process called ectasis. All the skin peels off, revealing a fresh, often brighter layer. This process removes parasites, aids growth, and shows the intricate pattern of the snake's body. Watching a shed skin is like seeing a transparent replica of the snake itself. Snakes don't have external ears, but they can detect vibrations through the ground. Vision varies. Some species have sharp eyesight, others rely more on touch and smell. Their forked tongue is their most remarkable tool. By flicking it, snakes collect chemical particles from air and ground and sending them to the Jacobson's organ. This creates a scent map of their surroundings. Many vipers and python have heat-sending pits, allowing them to detect warm-blooded prey even in total darkness. Combined, These senses make snakes incredible nocturnal hunters. Snakes are masters of predation. Venomous species like cobras and vipers inject venom that attacks nerves, blood, or tissue. Non-venomous species like boas and pythons can strike their prey with immense strength. They can swallow prey much larger than their heads, thanks to highly flexible jaws. Digestion is powerful. Stomach acids and enzymes break down bones, feathers, and fur. After one meal, some snakes may not eat for weeks or even months. Some have specialized diets. Egg-eating snakes swallow bird eggs whole, crushing them internally with special vertebral projections. Some snakes can safely consume toxic amphibians. Snakes are highly adapted to feeding efficiently in diverse environments. Snake reproduction is varied. Most lay eggs, some give live birth, and a few combine strategies. Some females can store sperm for months, and fertilizing egg only when conditions are ideal. During mating season, males may wrestle in dramatic contests to win females. Hatchlings are usually independent and ready to hunt and survive from birth. Some species like pythons may guard their eggs and keeping them warm and safe. Snakes may seem frightening, but they are extraordinary. Flexible bodies, hunting skills, and complex reproduction makes them true marvels. They thrive in nearly every environment on Earth. Understanding snakes deepens our appreciation for nature's complexity. They are not just survivors, they are masterpieces of evolution. If you enjoyed this short trip into the wild, please help us share this video with more people by subscribing. Thanks for sticking around this far, and don't forget, this is just a small part of the wonders of the world.